how you can connect Figma to your Claude AI desktop version. So simply open your Claude AI, and in order to connect Figma, we need to click on our profile in left down corner area. And next step is to open settings. Once you are here on the left, make sure to find connectors area and simply click it. And here should be your connectors, and we need to connect and find Figma. So if you don't have it here, just click on browse connectors, and here simply search for Figma, but I got it right here. You can click it and see how it works. It's gonna help you pull in Figma context and generate high quality code that aligns with your code base. You can scroll down, see here key features. It can extract design context from layers, and there are some notes developed by Figma, tools available. This is the version, etc. If you want to connect it, simply click this button. It's gonna open you Figma browser version, and you have to log into your account. You can just use your Google account, just click here and then continue. And right now I got it done. In connectors there is new Figma window, and you can configure it here, and you can customize it like you want and use it in your Claude AI. If you don't want to use it but you don't want to uninstall it, you can just disconnect it, or if you want to completely remove it, you can click on uninstall here. So that's how you make it done. If you have any questions, leave a comment, and see you next time.